In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Gemini AI step by step with a focus on clarity and ease. Let's get started on this intriguing journey to create digital images using Google's Gemini AI. To kick things off, open up your web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. It might seem obvious, but starting here sets a straightforward foundation for all you'll do. Once there, gently position your cursor into the search bar right at the center of the page. Next, type in Google Gemini and hit enter on your keyboard. This simple search will guide you to the resources needed to work with Gemini AI. When you see the search results appear, look for the one that leads directly to the Google Gemini website. Click on it to enter the platform where all the magic happens. Now, keep an eye on the upper section of the home page for a prominent plus sign button. This is your next focal point. Click on this button to upload an image, perhaps from a library of pictures on your device, which you'd like to work with or transform. With your image uploaded, the time has come to craft a prompt. This prompt acts as a set of instructions or themes you wish to explore in your image. Make it as detailed or as simple as you like, as it will guide the AI in generating your desired output. Once satisfied with your prompt, direct your attention to the main menu and find the Tools option. From here, clicking on Tools will reveal a selection of capabilities that Google Gemini offers. Choose the option to create images, as this is where your creative vision will truly start to take shape. Now, it's time to bring everything together by hitting the Submit button. This action prompts the AI to process your image alongside your custom prompt, beginning the creation process. Finally, allow the AI a moment to work its digital magic. Once the process is complete, you'll see that your image is finished. Feel free to review it, explore the details, and enjoy the transformation you've facilitated. With these steps successfully followed, you've now ventured into creating digital artistry with Google's advanced AI. I hope this video has been informative, breaking down each part clearly so that whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned creative, you find it both user-friendly and inspiring. Thanks for joining today, and happy creating!